I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah. You can put your digits here.
No problem.
What's going on there?
I don't know. Just hold on. Just hold on, eh? Come, follow me.
Where are you going?
Follow me. Don't worry. Come.
Be careful. Be careful.
I know. Calm down. Come, come.
Careful, careful. What's that? What is this?
Too much money. This is Nigerian Naira note. Eh? You know what? Let's just share this money. Let me give you your own share so you will go. I will go. Simple.
No. This is not a good idea. No. No, please. You know what?
What?
Let's take this money to the police station.
So no way. You said what?
Yes. Let's take this money to the station.
Wait, let's take which money to the station? See, if you take this money to the station, the police will collect this money and detain you. They will even fire you. They will... Hey, don't say let's take this money to the station instead of you to say.
What do you mean?
See, let me tell you, if you take this money to the station and the police collect this money, they will collect this money, detain you and deal with you. In fact, they will not give you anything.
You know what? It's a lie. Where I come from, Kenya, you know, when we see something like this, we take it to the station. You know? Yeah, we return it to the station.
Where I come from, my country, when we see something like this, we don't take it to the station. We share it within the eyewitness.
Okay, you know what? Just listen to me. Let's just take this money to the station. Period.
Which kind of won't be this one? Which kind of problem is this one? Okay, no problem. Since you want to take the money to the station, let's share this money. So you take your own to the station, I will take my own to where my own belong to. Don't worry, let's share the money.
No. We are not sharing anything. Let's take this money to the station. Period.
Oh, okay. It's okay. No problem. I will take it to the station. No problem.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will take it to the station.
Okay, so let's go then.
Go where?
To the station.
But you don't know any station here now. You are new in this country.
We are going together.
No, we can't go together. I know the station in this area. I know the neighboring station. It's my duty and my right, my policy to take this money to the station.
Okay, what should I do?
Just go back to where you are going to or go back to where you are coming to. I will take this money to the station myself. This is my country. We know how we do things here. If you follow me to the station, they will detain you. You want them to detain you? No. So let me take it to the station myself. I will settle with the police. Since you say let's take it to the station. I'm taking you there.
Please, come back. Come back, please. Sirbaalo.
Who is that? Coming.
Officer, this is the man.
Oh. Yes. Young man.
Sorry, wait. How come? How did you locate my house?
Young man, you are under arrest and anything you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Bam.
You forgot you went with my phone? We tracked you through my phone.
Hold on. Your phone?
Give me.
Yes.
Nonsense. Now move. Hey. Give me that money.
Officer, why are you people arresting me?
You want to know? When you get to the station, you will know for yourself. All we want you to do for us is to go to the station and write out your statement. Then you can go. Take me away. Oh, madam. Thank you very much for this wonderful information. I believe your country will be proud of you.
Pleasure is all mine.
And if it may interest you to know, any whistleblower that blows whistle for something like this gets a 10% for it.
Oh, really?
Yes, so you have owned yourself with 10%.
Oh, thank you so much.
And I believe this belongs to you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam.
All right.
After you.
Thank you.